It is our first Christmas as a family of 3, as well as my baby girl Amara's first Christmas. I mean, we haven't posted a video in a really long time. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, we've just been so busy. So this is the first video of 2024 and also the last video of 2024. Hi. Say mama. Mama, mama, mama. So yeah, it's gonna be low key just because we've just moved countries and we moved to a really small town. So you know what that means. So we have to basically order most of the stuff online. See, we don't have a Christmas tree this year. Obviously baby's only 7.5 months. She won't be able to remember any of this, so we'll leave it to next year's Christmas, but this Christmas is gonna be really low-key. Yeah, so yeah, I wanted to post more videos. There's gonna be a lot of memories that we're gonna be making, you know, with travels and that next year, especially for our daughter Myra, that she can look back to when she's older. And it's all about the memories now. Wait. I'll talk to you guys the following day because we're not doing anything today. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, wait. Baby, don't be like that. Talk to you guys soon. Say bye. Bye. Over there. Bye. Okay, let's go. Where are you going, lovey? Where are you going? She loves being in the car now, eh? You love being in the car now, eh? Unlike before, when you were, you know, 2, 3, 4 months, you never liked being on the car seat. Huh? Where is my baby going? Are you going to have brunch? Huh? You already had your food at home. Hmm? Oi. This guy and his driving skills, eh? So it's the next day now, guys. We are in town. We're here to have brunch with little Miss Amira. Hey Myra. She already had her food at home. But yeah, we wanna come to town to have brunch. Okay, so this is what our town looks like every day. Every day we come to town, this is what we see a lot. Wow. Like you'll see a lot of those. So yeah, that's where we are. This is our town. What's that song on TikTok? It was this Punjabi guy. He was singing the Indian way. Good morning, the pineapple. Good morning, the pineapple. Why are you looking at me like that? Huh? What happened? Good morning, the pineapple. How do you say it? Can you sing good morning, pineapple? Sing it the Indian way, the Indian accent.
I don't have typical Indian accent, that's why.
Damn! Of course you do. Good morning, pineapple.
Very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple.
Was that not funny? Was that not funny to you? I think she's sleepy. Just make sure you don't hit an Aboriginal. Otherwise, all the Aboriginals come at you. Okay, speaking of Aboriginals, we see them every day. Look, they're everywhere. Beautiful people. Beautiful people. Oh, beautiful people. Baby, she's so tired now. It's okay, lovey. Aww. Oh, you poor thing. Go, Nini. Night-night. Nini. Don't worry, Mummy will carry you on the carrier. Oh, love you, baby. You're gonna see Santa tomorrow, okay? Aww. It's okay. Good night-night. Night-night. Love you. I'm just sitting here, looking around, and all I see is Aboriginals everywhere. Like, do they not work? Like, what do they do for a living? Do they all live on benefit? Good people though. I've spoken to some people, and yeah, they're really good. It's just like the teenagers that like to commit crimes and stuff. But yeah, the older people, they're very nice people. But I'm just saying, like, there's so many jobs out there that they can get. Trust me, if they all go to work, they'll get like a lot more money than what they're getting right now from that benefit from the government.
Okay.
I'm just saying. But I do me, you do you, boo. So we just got to the restaurant. No, baby. Oh, baby. It's yucky. I'm so hungry. Oi. Pica. This is so cute. So cute. It's actually her first time sitting on a high chair in a restaurant. Are you enjoying it, lovey? Are you enjoying it, baby? Amara, look. Mara. Okay, what should we order? So this is their menu.
Myra.
What are you doing, lovey? I got an iced latte. Here you go, you can have it. Yeah, go, grab it. Grab it, just don't drink it. What? Do you want it, Myra? Yeah. Look. You can't have it. You're too little for it. Oh. You can't have it, my God. That was too bitter. The lady was looking at me adding the sugar in. That's good. Alright, food's here. So I got a burger, fish and chips, and a salad. Yeah. Bye, lovey. Bye. Okay, let me eat in peace. She's so tiny. She is so tiny. It's so cute. I'll show you actually. Damn, it's so freaking hot. Like literally burning. Baby, look. Man, this heat is next level. You know when we went to Samoa last year? It wasn't as hot as...
What's hot?
It was hot, but not like this. My poor lovey. Are you feeling hot or you just don't care? Huh? Man, this is extremely hot. Like how much is it? 37? 37 is nothing when I'm inside. Yesterday was 42. Today's 37. So, but I think apparently last year it was the day after Christmas was 45. Yeah. Just quickly getting some stuff from Bunnings. How's the ride, my love? No, I like that one. That one there. That one's easier. Baby, look. Baby. Lovey. Smells. How's it going, Lovey? Huh? How's it going? How's it going, my love? Do you want some hot dog? Oh, that's actually for the dogs. My bad.
The next day.
Look at my baby girl. Look at my baby girl. Put it on, baby. Put it on, baby. Wait. Hey, 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 hey. My Are you excited to get your Santa photos? There you go. Look. You're gonna meet Santa.
Just we get one print for family. That's all.
Alright, so we're next. Look, baby. Show me your headband. Show me headband. So this is our little studio. Oh, Pippi! Smile! Oh! Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Did you cry, Lovey? Lovey? Look. So we just came to eat something. So nice.
That one's really good.
Oh, bless you, baby. Bless you. Bless you. Green tea. So this is tuna. I like to eat it with my hands. You did so well with Santa. I can't eat that yet, my love. So Kavi's just getting a haircut. It's so good. I'll show you. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, Santa's coming. Santa's coming to eat in here. This is Santa outside. Is that Santa? Santa outside? So, oops. Oh. She's got a vaccine. She's got a flu vaccine. After this, we're actually here pretty early, 30 minutes early, and it's so freaking hot. Getting some fresh air, more like humidity air because it's so freaking hot. I think the heat right now is 35 to 36, but by the end of the day it's gonna get to, I'm pretty sure, 40. So yeah, this is her Christmas outfit. So it was personalized and I ordered it online. It's got her name on here. So it's got Amira Sky's First Christmas 2024. How cute is her outfit? So cute. Are you feeling hot, lovey? And then after this, then I have my appointment, and then yeah, that's it for the day, and then we'll see you guys on Christmas Day. Hi guys. So I know that I said in my last video that I'll be seeing you guys on Christmas Day, but today is actually Kavi's birthday. I was actually thinking of cooking today, but it'll be nice to get him something that he hasn't had, or something that he doesn't really eat often. So I ordered some Indian food on DoorDash. It's gonna get delivered just before he gets home. By the time he gets home, it's like nice and hot. Hopefully it's hot. I did order a cake as well. So when I ordered the cake, it was saying on the side that it might be out of stock because I ordered it not from a cake shop. If that's gonna be out of stock, and also I need candles, so I added candles in the order as well. So hopefully, even the candles is like might be out of stock. So I'm just hoping that it's not out of stock. But if it doesn't get here, then I'll probably improvise and make a little bit of cake. I've never made a cake before, So it's gonna be interesting if I do. Alright guys, we're back. You know how I ordered the cake? I still haven't gotten a notification whether they have it or not. I actually don't want to leave like things too late. So what I'm going to be doing is that I want to challenge myself to make that special cake for him. So I've already got the eggs in here. And of course I've got Missy here to help me. Are you going to help mommy make Dada birthday cake? It's Daddy's birthday today. Did you know that? I just need to add my flour. Yeah, hold it. Hold it, Levy. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. No, don't put it in the mouth. Brush, 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 Levy. You did so well, my love. Thank you for helping me. Our cake is ready. Can you see it? It looks so good. A little bit of powdered sugar. Alright, I just got a notification from Coles, and unfortunately the tiramisu cake that I ordered is out of stock, as well as the candles that I ordered with it. So yeah. Alright, so we got our food. 2 mango lassi with straws, and then we got this spicy chicken. It looks so good. There you go. And then this curry, I don't want to open it, but it looks nice. They're so small, like the portioning is so small. I was expecting like a bigger portions for the price. And then I got some cheesy garlic naan. So good. Show me? Yeah. Just one. Just one small cake. Did you eat anything there? Huh? Who's that? Who's that? Huh? A cake. Yeah. Me and baby made you this cake.
You made it?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's just that
Nice.
they didn't have the candles. Yeah. But yeah, I made it myself. It's the first time I made a cake. And we got some food, some Indian food.
You ordered it takeaway?
Yeah.
Did you deliver?
Yeah. So Kavi, his staff got him a cake, surprise cake at work. Let's taste my cake. Yeah, happy birthday.
It's nice.
Nice,
Yeah,
hey,
yeah.
I made it really nice. Wow.
Hola?
So good. Wait, have another bite. It's so good. Do you like it? Man. I made a nice cake. Merry Christmas, Lovey. Merry Christmas, Lovey. Merry Christmas, Lovey. Merry Christmas. So this is her Christmas outfit. It's a little bit too big. Hopefully she can fit it next year. Hello, my love. Look at these beautiful eyes. Oi, 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 my baby. Oi, my baby love. Baby love. Hey, baby love. My baby love.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don't we know?
So her gifts are basically the things that she needs, especially for entertainment, and the things that I can entertain her as well. So yeah, that's what she got for Christmas. And she's got a trip coming up, so how nice. Do you want to say Merry Christmas to everyone? Huh? Say Merry Christmas, everyone. See you next year. Yeah, I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Of course, New Year's next week. I don't even know if I'm gonna vlog that, but yeah, these are all the gifts that I wrapped for her. But yeah, her outfit is the cutest outfit. If you want to know where I got it from, let me know, because they have really good stuff. But yeah, that is our Christmas vlog. Say Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Lovey. Kyrie's actually at work, but yeah, he'll be here soon. What are you doing, Lovey? Don't eat it. Oh my gosh. So yeah, let's open the gifts. Oh my god. I thought I was filming the whole time, but I wasn't. I am so mad. Oh god. Anyway, these are her gifts. So just basically, you know, stuff for her feeding, stuff that she needs for food. Got her a phone, cute phone. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I wasn't filming. Yeah, and I got her this wooden multi-shape stacker for this is very educational, hence why I got it. This one as well, wooden hammer pound cube, so good. A water bottle, she needs a water bottle, so I want to train her how to use a straw, hence why I got this one. So excited for that. We're going to be doing that later on today. I also got this one here, so cute. This will get her attention. So yeah, so good. And of course, I got this specifically so I can entertain her with. Obviously, she's not going to play with it, otherwise she'll joke on this one, especially the stick. And also I got her this personalized stuffy. It's got Amira Skies First Christmas 2024. So cute. All photos. And also this thing here, I got her this one here. Oh my gosh, I'm still got it, the fact that I wasn't recording. Okay, got her this My Christmas Amaya 2024. So this one can go on the Christmas tree next year. And she can also keep it forever. So yeah, that's what we got her. And look, she's already using this. Oh, my baby, what happened? Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So yeah, that is our Christmas. I hope that you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye. Say bye, everybody. Bye bye. See you when I see you.
Leave me alone!